इसलिए वही खा लो क्योंकि ना पैटी ठंडी ना बने.
Finally, we have a birthday cake. It's very subtle. Hello everyone and welcome to the beautiful and sunny Johannesburg, South Africa. I just landed from my flight. Ta-da! Beautiful, right? August is my birthday month, so I decided that I wanted to do a catch-up vlog with you all where I share everything that happened in August. Just enjoy this month with you. Really, I want to know how has life been, so make sure to put that in the comments. I haven't read your comments in a while, so I'm very excited to know what has happened with you guys. Now usually people would do a get ready with me in a vlog, but I want to do a get unready with me because I just landed and I need to sleep. This was a 9.5 hours work day, so I would like to sleep. So let's go in the bathroom and chat some more. Taking you to the bathroom. Here we go. The first thing that I did towards the end of July and start of August was I went with my friend Alicia to do a perfume making workshop with Sentosa, Singapore, which is like it's like a DIY perfume making experience, and it's very interesting. I've done that before with my family and it was so fun. So I did that again with her. Is also the number of scents you will be picking in each room. For example, you and lift the funnel a little bit up, then you can start moving. Okay. Then since I turned 31 this year, I decided to get back to my health and kind of take my health more seriously. So I decided to do 1 week of regular gym just to see what happens. And trust me guys, oh my god, as you look better in clothes or whatever, I felt stronger at work. I did not get tired so easily. I was more agile. I was more like ready on my feet. So the working out really helps. And after that, the fun began. My birthday falls with my brother on 5th August. We are not twins, we are 4 years apart, but still our parents managed to plan our births in a way that we still have the birthday on the same day, 5th August. And Rakhi was on 9th August, so my mom and brother visited Singapore. It was a blast. We went to so many places. I don't even think this vlog is enough to show you all the places we've been. My brother loves Universal Studios, so we've been every year, but this year was different because we decided to go to the Minion Land first. That's the new attraction that has opened up. So we went to the Minion Land area mostly and we explored the rides there. It was really fun and they even had some vegetarian food, so that was so exciting. It's 60 years of Singapore, so they've created this Illuminati thing. Bhaskar is here, mom is here, and so am I. Let's go. "15 minutes is the wait time. Let's go." What he said?
15 मिनट की लाइन अभी ऑलरेडी है और हम अभी दूसरे डायरेक्ट सीधा यहाँ हैं.
This is a Transformers ride which usually has 1 hour wait time, and we just got the emptiest slot and somehow we're part of the first few. What's happening? This is so weird, but at least I see more people now, so okay. actual birthday, we decided to go to Harry Potter Visions of Light, which is like a Harry Potter experience here in Singapore. It's interactive because you get your own wands and you get to play with the things there. So that was super fun. You need to see it to believe it. Hi everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today is our birthday and we are here at the Harry Potter Visions of Magic experience. So let's go in. देखते हैं मम्मी का कौन आएगा. Dumbledore with the phoenix. Wow. बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है.
कॉफी का फ्लेवर है.
Tasty coffee with the creams.
हाँ, कॉफी क्रीम.
Tasty. Nice. Chocolate. And the Harry Potter Visions of Light is done. Ding ding ding. You only need 1.5 hours for it, so we are done and happy about it. Then we ended up celebrating Rakhi, and the same day was the National Day of Singapore, so we actually watched the parade, which was so exciting. I've actually never watched the full parade and it was very exhilarating. I mean, I couldn't attend the parade in India for our National Day, but I did it for Singapore and it was a great experience. My get unready with me is complete, and so is this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to follow, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I have been posting I've been posting videos about a feature destination every month. It's very exciting if you want to learn more about the what the hell about the world we live in. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. Comment below any specific video that you would like to watch or any travel topic that you would like me to cover, and I shall do that. And I will try to keep this mask on my face somehow. Yeah, let me know if you like this style of video where I just share clips instead of like a full-length vlog and I don't have a face-to-face time with you. I'm like breaking the third wall here, fourth wall, I don't know, but yeah, this was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for sticking along and I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.